What are you doing? It's not a video.
When you saw a car come, Seth, stop for me.
There's a car coming, Sarah. Sit down. I thought you were like, wait till the car comes and see if they'll stop for me.
The car did come.
Yeah, but it didn't stop. He's going very slow. I wonder why. It's not like there's ice.
There's ice all over the ground.
There's not ice on this road.
What?
Hey, car. I guess it's not. No car. Oh, there's a car. Hi, car. Bye, car. Hi, get it? Bye, car. Try to bye, car. Okay, anyway. What are you doing? Oh, there's a car coming. Somewhere over there. Come on, Sarah. What are you doing?
When it's cold outside,
What are you
I have
doing?
you to say. I've got you to say.
What are you singing? Isn't it like My Girl over there? Why is this car? We just saw this car. Dude, that car just passed us. It made like, watch it like come back. Come on, Sarah, sit in the middle of the road. Let's go. Okay, we just saw this car. Ew, oh God. Sexy Nexy. Oh, this is another car. It's a pretty hot car. Hi, car, bye, car. Ah,
you're mean!
oh, this is upside down.
I want to see if I can do a handstand.